Good morning, student. Today in class 9th, we are going to solve problem based on parallel lines. As you can see here, example 6. In figure 6.27, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, and also EA is perpendicular to AB. If angle BEF equal to 55 degree, find the value of X, Y and Z. Solutions: y plus 55 degree equal to 180 degree. Interior angle on the same side of the transverse ED. As you can see, ED is a transverse and interior angle 55 plus y equal to, that is 55 plus y equal to 90 degree, 180 degree. So as you can see, y equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree equal to 125 degree. Again, x equal to y. As AB is parallel to CD, the corresponding angles axiom. Therefore, x equal to 125 degree. Now, since AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, therefore AB is parallel to EF. So, angle AB plus AEB plus angle FEA equal to 180 degree. Interior angle on same side of transverse, as you can see here. Now, therefore, 90 degree plus Z plus 55 degree equal to 180 degree, which gives Z equal to 35 degree. Now, next question, exercise problem 6.2. In figure 6.28, find the value of X and Y and then show that A is parallel to CD. As you can see here, 50 degree and x plus y, 50 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, that is a linear pair equations, and y is vertically opposite of angle 130 degree. So we will solve the problems on the basis of that. As you can see here, I have solved the problems here. As you can see, PQ is a line segment and RA is the ray. So angle PRA plus angle ARS equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Angle ARS equal to 180 degree minus angle PRA, or x equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree equal to 130 degree. Again, angle CSQ equal to RSD, vertically opposite angle. Angle CSQ equal to RSD. So vertically opposite angle, so RSD equal to 130 degree or y equal to 130 degree. As angle x equal to 130 degree equal to y, they are equal, but angle x and y are the alternate angle formed by the transverse PQ and two line AB and CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Now next question. Question number 2 of exercise 6.2. As you can see here in figure, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and x is to y equal to x, y is to x equal to 7, 3 is to 7, find the value of x. Now, since CD, as you can see here, CD is parallel to EF and transverse PQ intersect them at S and T respectively. So angle CST, angle CST, as you can see here in the down, CST equal to STF, alternate angle. So 180 degree minus y equal to z, 180 degree minus y equal to z. So therefore angle y plus CST equal to 180 degree, being a linear pair. So y plus z equal to 180 degree. Now given y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. So the sum of the ratio 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So y equal to 3 by 10 into 180 degree, or that is gives 54 degree. And z equal to 7 by 10 into 180 degree, it gives 126 degree. since AB is parallel to CD and transpose PQ intersect them at R and S respectively. So ARS plus RSC equal to 180 degree. So consecutive linear interior angle are supplementary. So x plus y equal to 180 degree, or x equal to 180 degree minus y equal to, that is 126 degree. As you can see, angle 126 degree. The next question number 3 in figure, as you can see, AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED equal to 126 degree. Find value of AGE, GEF and FGE. So solutions, since line AB is parallel to CD and transverse GE cut them at G and E respectively. So angle, as you can see, angle AGE equal to GED, alternate angles. So AGE equal to 126 degree. Therefore, GED equal to 126 given, and GEF equal to GED minus FED 126 degree, as you can see in the figure. So 36 degree, or angle FEG equal to GEC, alternate angle, or FEG equal to 90 degree minus GEF, or 90 degree minus 36 equal to 54 degree. Hence, AGE equal to 126 degree, GEF equal to 36 degree, and FGE equal to 54 degree. Thank you. Today class is over.